Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to edit these selects so that you can rearrange the order of the answers. So we're going to start with a problem. So the problem is that we created this select in the blank and we filled in all the answers, but we put the correct answers at the top of each select group, right? So the first option, the first answer here in group number 1 is the correct answer, and the first answer in group number 2 is the correct answer, and the first answer in group number 3 is the correct answer, and the same thing for 4. So that means if we run this question, someone clicks submit, they get everything correct. And we don't want that. So to fix that, we're going to shuffle the answers. We're going to move the first one down to the second position. And so to do that, we're going to edit in place, copy, edit in place, paste, copy the original, paste, and then change from correct as the first option to correct as the second. Now, we save that, we go back up to preview, submit, and you see they got this first one wrong because they didn't select the correct answer. So we're going to do the same thing for these 3. We're going to go back over to edit, and for the second group, I'm going to move the correct answer down to the last option. So I'm going to edit, copy, go down to the last option in group 2, paste, and I'm going to take the original option and paste it in the first spot, enter, and then we're going to change the correct answer to the last one. Save. Now I'll preview it, submit, and I got 2 wrong. So if they were going to try, they'd have to select the last one in order to get that correct. See? And so we'll do the same thing for the others, right? For group 3, we're going to edit this, and we're going to move this to the third one here. Paste, copy. Now this is the correct one. So now we go back to the first one, group 3, and paste. Turn that off. Now that's the correct one. Save. Back up to preview, submit. See it's wrong. If they want to get it right, they have to select the third. Submit. There you go. And so that's how you do it. That's how you rearrange or shuffle your select in the blank options in the event that you put them in the wrong order. That's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.